G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here today at a great lifestyle home, 13 Walkers Road in the popular bayside suburb of Urangan. There is a fair bit to take in. Let's go and take a look around. Don't miss this rare opportunity to secure your own piece of paradise in one of Hervey Bay's most popular seaside suburbs of Urangan. This sound brick home was completed in 2000 and has been tastefully refurbished over time. You'll enjoy the lifestyle and convenience of having key amenities nearby, including the Urangan Central shopping centre, Aldi's, the Boat Club, Marina, Botanic Gardens, beach, esplanade, cafes, restaurants and the iconic Urangan Pier, all only minutes away. Charming in its design, this meticulously refurbished and maintained home offers an array of quality appointments throughout its open, light-filled design. Enjoy the fusion of classic lines with modern finishes that really create something special. Offering an intuitive and creative floor plan, there is definitely more than meets the eye with this home. The kitchen has been designed around functionality and does form the heart of this home, with loads of bench and storage space plus a pantry. Appliances include an electric hot plate, wall oven and dishwasher, making it ideal for preparing meals for both every day along with those special occasions. This home utilises its space perfectly with an open plan dining area which seamlessly connects with the fantastic covered outdoor al fresco entertaining area. This is where you'll take advantage and enjoy Hervey Bay's year-round subtropical temperate climate, the ideal space for daily living and relaxing. There is also a separate lounge or dining room so everyone can enjoy their favourite television shows along with the latest blockbuster movies, and it also features reverse cycle split system air conditioning and a ceiling fan. Staying cool over the warmer summer months is as simple as making a splash in that sparkling in-ground saltwater chlorinated pool surrounded by those beautiful established tropical gardens. This home includes 4 spacious bedrooms, all with ceiling fans and built-in wardrobes. The bathroom includes a bath, shower and vanity, and there is a separate toilet. Those looking to accommodate a number of vehicles will appreciate the clear side access through the double bay shed with workshop and power connected. You also have ample space to accommodate large caravans and boats, or add a larger shed again if required. The energy conscious will appreciate the large 10 kilowatt solar power system with an 8 kilowatt inverter, and you've also got solar hot water as well. Homes offering these features in this location are in high demand and low supply, so here's your opportunity. Call me now. Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.